Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and the mode does not really matter. All you have to do is to enter the settings, which are general for both photo and video mode. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to scroll, and as you can see, we've got this video resolution option. After tapping on it, you can see that we've got two different options, so 1080p, which is currently applied, and 720p. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and if it is highlighted, marked, it means that your device will immediately record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.